Respondus is a Windows-based application that can be used to import either a text file or a Word document that's been created as a test. On screen, I've got a file that's a text document, testtext.txt. You'll notice that I've got a variety of multiple choice questions here, and I've indicated which is the correct question by placing an asterisk in front of the name. I'm going to go ahead and close that document, and then I'm going to open up the Respondus application. Now, in order to use Respondus, you'll need to make sure that you have a current license. You can get this license from the help desk by contacting helpdesk@csuci.edu. Let's begin by importing our question pool. We'll do that by coming over here and clicking on Import Questions. We'll then come up here to this first section for the type of files to import, and we're going to choose a plain text file. Notice we could also import a Microsoft Word doc in a .doc file format or a .docx file. There's a couple of other choices that are available, but in this example, we're going to use a plain text document. Next, under the file name, go ahead and click on the Browse button. Click the drop-down menu to navigate my hard drive, and I know I've placed my document up here on my desktop, so I'll scroll down until I find testtext.txt. I'll go ahead and click one time on it to select it, click the Open button. Next, we need to choose where we want to add these questions. I don't have any documents that are currently open that I want to use, so I'm going to select the second option, which is create a new document, and I'll call this Test Pool. I need to select what kind of test this is. This is going to be an exam. I'll then go ahead and click the Preview button. I can see that my questions have come in, and that's all looking good, so I'll go ahead and click the Finish button. I'll get a pop-up window that'll let me know that the file has been saved. I can go ahead and click OK. Now if I needed to go in and edit those files, I could do that at this point. Instead, I'm going to go ahead and take this question pool as it is and go to the Preview and Publish tab up here in the top left-hand corner. Then I want to make sure that my option is selected on Publish to Blackboard, and I'll click the Publish wizard. In order to import your pool directly into Blackboard, there are some server settings that can be used. These are currently unavailable on our campus Blackboard system. Instead, we'll need to choose the third option here under the first question, which is Save Pool to a local file for manual uploading. With that radio button selected, I'll go ahead and click the Next button. I'll click the Save As button. Again, I'll navigate my hard drive, and I'll place it up on my desktop. I'll then change the name of my document to remove the space, so it just says Test Pool with no space in it. I'll go ahead and click the Save button. I can then choose whether or not I want my test to come in as just a pool with no points, or set up the number of points that I want. I'll go ahead and set the pool right now to have no points. I'll then click the Finish button. My pool was successfully created. I'll go ahead and click the OK button, and now I can close Respondus. In the next movie, we'll go ahead and import this testpool.zip file that we just exported from Respondus directly into our Blackboard course as a test pool, and then create a test and deploy it to our students.